This Samsung fridge freezer conveniently offers cold water on tap and makes the most of the family-size capacity. The easy slide shelf sits on rolling hinges and extends so you can keep the space organised, easily view and access all your food. Samsung's True No Frost evenly cools the appliance to eliminate build-up of frost and ice. This keeps your food fresher for longer, reduces energy usage, and lets you make the most of the space. The water dispenser externally supplies chilled water from a slim, non-intrusive design. Since it doesn't take up room inside the appliance, you have more space for your groceries and you can enjoy a fresh, cool glass of water at any time. Designed to be space and energy efficient, this Samsung fridge freezer is a great addition to any family home.